Today, my model, Delaney, she has very, very blonde hair. It is a very strong line of demarcation because she's been a global pre-lightened blonde for a very long time. So this is a great opportunity today to help her get to something that's more natural, more authentic for her, and something that really gives her that less maintenance and a bit more of a multi-tonal and sort of shimmery, powdery look. I'm going to bring that on a nice diagonal line all the way to the back. This is where I'm going to focus my balayage, just simply to break up this demarcation line, and then we're going to do a root shadow and root smudge afterwards. Because she has this strong line of demarcation, I have to give a little bit of a balayage to her face frame, so she still feels light and kind of sun-kissed like she normally is. When I work into the front, I'm going to work on a little bit of a diagonal line backwards so that I get the most natural look off of her hairline. And I don't need to grab all of the hair, just some of the pieces that are going to make the most impact. After I complete the balayage, I'm going to melt that color over top using TBH. And one of the things that I love about using TBH is the fact that it's so low in ammonia content that I know it's going to be gentle over not only her natural, but also over her pre-lightened hair. It's going to give me the best, most natural look on her virgin hair, but will also transition over her pre-lightened hair to give her the most natural blended appearance in the end.
I love my hair. It feels amazing and it's so low maintenance. Now that I have these highlights in the front, it just feels great and so beautiful, and I love it.